Are you looking to boost your income using skills you can learn from home? What if I told you that with just a computer and internet access, you could tap into the world of artificial intelligence, a field that's not just for tech wizards but for anyone willing to learn? In today's video, we'll reveal the top 7 AI side hustles that could make you an extra $100 a day. Before we dive into these exciting opportunities, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified about our latest content. If you're ready to change the way you earn, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. Number 1. AI content creation. First on our list is AI content creation. In an era where content is king, there's a high demand for producing engaging and high-quality material. Utilizing AI writing tools, you can efficiently generate blog posts, articles, marketing copy, and more. Familiarize yourself with platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Jasper, or WriteSonic. These tools can help streamline your workflow and enhance creativity, allowing you to take on multiple clients or projects at once. To maximize your earnings, offer a broad spectrum of content services such as creating SEO-optimized articles, crafting email marketing campaigns, or even writing scripts for video producers. Specializing in high-demand niches like technology, wellness, or personal finance can increase your value. Furthermore, diversify your skill set by learning about content strategy and digital marketing trends to offer comprehensive packages. This not only boosts your marketability, but also allows you to command higher rates and maintain a steady stream of projects. Consistently producing high-quality content that meets client specifications is key to building lasting relationships and a strong reputation in the industry. Number 2. Chatbot Development. Next up, Chatbot Development. As businesses strive to enhance customer engagement and streamline operations, chatbots have become a vital tool. You can tap into this demand by developing custom chatbots for websites, social media platforms, and customer service portals. Start by mastering chatbot development platforms like ManyChat, Dialogflow, or Microsoft Bot Framework. These platforms offer various levels of customization and can cater to a wide range of business needs. Your role as a chatbot developer will involve understanding client requirements, designing conversation flows, and integrating chatbots with existing business systems. Offering services like regular updates, performance monitoring, and user feedback analysis can also provide additional revenue streams. Advanced projects may include developing AI-powered chatbots that use natural language processing to improve interaction quality. Networking with digital marketing agencies and attending tech meetups can help you find potential clients. With each successful project, you'll not only boost your portfolio but also your potential to land higher-paying gigs. Number 3. AI tutoring or courses. AI tutoring or creating online courses can become a great AI side hustle. There's a soaring demand for AI and machine learning knowledge across various sectors. Whether you're an expert in AI or have a solid understanding of the basics, teaching others can be a lucrative avenue. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or LinkedIn Learning are great places to start. Develop courses that cover topics from introductory AI concepts to more advanced subjects like machine learning algorithms, computer vision, or deep learning. Enhance your courses with real-world projects, interactive quizzes, and hands-on coding exercises to increase their value and appeal. Promoting your courses through blogs, podcasts, or AI forums can attract more students. Consider offering personalized tutoring sessions or corporate training workshops to diversify your income. These can be particularly profitable as businesses often seek customized training for their employees to bridge skill gaps. Staying updated with the latest AI trends and continually updating your courses will help maintain your relevance and attract a continuous stream of learners. Number 4. Data annotation and preparation. Annotation and preparation is another essential AI side hustle. AI models depend heavily on accurately labeled data to learn and make predictions. This role involves annotating and labeling various types of data, such as images, text, or videos, which are used to train AI systems. Tools like Prodigy, Labelbox, and mTurk are commonly used for these tasks. In addition to basic labeling, offering specialized services such as sentiment analysis, object recognition, or even medical image annotation can increase your rates. Building a team to handle larger projects or forming partnerships with AI development companies can scale your operations. This hustle requires attention to detail and a systematic approach to managing tasks. Providing high-quality, accurate data will help you establish a good reputation, leading to more projects and potentially higher earnings. Continuous learning about AI and machine learning models will also enhance your ability to offer valuable insights to your clients. Number 5. Custom AI solutions for small businesses. Custom AI solutions for small businesses can be extremely profitable. Many small businesses are interested in leveraging AI, but lack the technical expertise to implement it effectively. You can bridge this gap by providing tailored AI solutions that improve their operations, such as automating routine tasks, enhancing customer service, or optimizing marketing strategies. Start by understanding the unique needs of small businesses in different sectors like retail, healthcare, or finance, and offer customized AI tools and solutions. Knowledge of AI platforms such as TensorFlow, Google Cloud AI, or Microsoft Azure AI is crucial. Providing ongoing support and training for these businesses will also help in building long-term relationships. Additionally, demonstrating clear ROI through detailed case studies or success stories can help in convincing potential clients of the value of investing in AI technologies. By effectively communicating how AI can solve specific problems, you can position yourself as a valuable partner to these businesses. Number 6. AI-powered visual content creation. Next, let's dive into AI-powered visual content creation. As visual content continues to dominate digital marketing, businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to capture audience attention. With AI tools, you can create stunning graphics, videos, and interactive media that resonate with viewers. Start by mastering tools like Adobe Sensei, Canva's Magic Write, or Lumen 5, which leverage AI to simplify and enhance the creative process. Offer services such as automated video editing, AI-generated graphic designs, or even augmented reality experiences. Focus on industries that rely heavily on visual content like fashion, real estate, or e-commerce. By integrating AI with traditional design principles, you can offer a unique service that combines creativity with efficiency. Additionally, consider providing analytics services to measure the impact of visual content on audience engagement and sales, further enhancing your value proposition. Effective marketing of your services through visual platforms like Instagram or Pinterest can attract a diverse clientele. This niche not only taps into the booming demand for eye-catching digital content, but also allows for premium pricing due to the specialized technological integration. Number 7. AI application development for mobile and web. Lastly, consider stepping into AI application development for mobile and web. As businesses strive to enhance user experiences and streamline operations, AI-powered apps are becoming increasingly indispensable. You can develop applications that utilize AI for various functionalities like personalized recommendations, speech recognition, or predictive text input. Familiarize yourself with development frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Google's ML Kit for mobile apps. Your role may involve creating custom applications for specific business needs or developing generic apps that cater to broader markets. Offering post-launch support and updates can provide a continuous revenue stream. Additionally, developing educational apps or tools that help users understand and interact with AI can tap into the educational sector, broadening your market reach. Network with app development companies and participate in tech incubators to find potential projects. This sector offers significant opportunities, especially with the increasing integration of AI and everyday technology, and requires a good blend of technical skills and creative problem solving. And there you have it, 7 AI side hustles that could make you $100 a day or even more. Which of these do you think you'll try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with someone who might benefit from these opportunities. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on how to use AI technology to improve your financial health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.